Hi, I'm Randall Henderson with PMI. We know how to keep your property in optimal condition. We handle all maintenance requests and coordinate needed repairs for you. Protecting and preserving your property is our top priority. We coordinate and communicate with the tenants, with you as the owner, with the vendors for all maintenance needs. Our responsive service includes 24/7 maintenance support for tenants and you, of course, as owner. We have an after-hours emergency line that can cover any of the immediate needs that come up on your property. Non-emergency maintenance requests can be made directly through the owner or the tenant portal, and we determine if a vendor is needed for those. Here at PMI, transparent communication is of utmost importance for us. The online owner portal keeps owners in the loop at all stages of maintenance issues. Real-time updates and records can be accessed at any time through the online owner portal. Maintenance expenses are also included in the monthly owner statements. We never want owners to be surprised at the end of the month by any expense on their items. At PMI, no maintenance issue is too large or too small. We reconcile every single invoice to ensure that charges are correct and every repair is reasonably priced. PMI negotiates the high-quality services at reasonable rates with its nationwide network of licensed, bonded, and insured tradesmen and suppliers. Property maintenance is a top priority at PMI. Preserving your asset is one of the most key things that we try to do for owners.